Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, let us learn about AWS Control Tower. So what is this AWS Control Tower and why do we use it and what we can able to do with this. So everything will be explained by using this figure. So this AWS Control Tower, you can use it for creating multiple AWS accounts and for managing your AWS root account. So let's say you can able to create multiple root organizational units and multiple core organizational units and custom organizational units. You can able to achieve your logs and audit your logs as well. So in order to monitor these logs, you can assign a particular user for it. In order to audit these logs, you can able to assign particular user for it. So these custom organizational units indicates IAM users, roles, those. You can able to log into this control tower by using single sign-on option, AWS single sign-on. So let's recap the thing with small explanation. What this AWS control tower need? Its need is to create and manage multi AWS accounts. Why I need multi AWS accounts, sir? So in order to monitor these logs which are created under your organizational units. Let's say this is your organization you created. Under this, you have a root organizational unit. So this is a parent of all your organizational unit, and you can create core organizational units and custom organizational units. Whereas these custom organizational units contains users and their related permissions. Whereas core organizational unit related data is logs and auditing, monitoring your organizational works. All these things will be here. So in order to monitor these things, we need persons, right? Yeah. So for that, you can even put a log archive managing person and audit auditing person as well. Even you can able to create multiple accounts for these, for each and every unit for your organization, and you can able to audit these things as well. So by using this control tower only, you can able to create these root organizational units and users for this log archival or audit or custom organizational units. You can able to use this directly from console, or you can able to sign in by using single sign-on option. You can able to use this. So let us see directly from lab how it will be. Now I am in AWS management console. Now I am searching for control tower. You can see I got the option. I'm just clicking on it so that we will reach to control tower home page. You can see this is how the home page is. So now the primary thing that you need to remember while using this control tower is, why do you need to use this? Set up and govern multi account AWS environments. That means you can able to create multiple AWS accounts and you can able to govern your AWS environment by using this control tower. So let us see how to set up. You can see here, set up landing zone. So just click on it. You can see the first review pricing and select the regions. So whatever the regions or how many regions you want, those many you can able to select based on your pricing. This is active by default, so I just selected this. So this is not active, this is also active. So by default it is selected, so that I just put it on. Now just click on next. Now you can see foundational organizational unit. So if you want, you can change the name of it, and additional organizational unit, if you want, you can even change it. You can see we have log archive account. So we have this log archive account. Even we can able to provide a new account or else use the existing account for this as well. If you want to provide a new account for this, you can provide that. Let's say btechspark.com at the rate gmail.com is one of the account that I have. You can assume like this. I have an account like this. So for monitoring this, I'm providing this person's email account. And then you can see for auditing also it is asking me. You can even provide some person's account or else your person's email. Okay, the emails must be unique. Yeah, you can see it just gone to next stage. You can provide AWS account access configuration. You want self-management, then click here by using IAM, or else if you want control tower by using AWS account access by using IAM identity center, then click it. Then you have Cloud configuration as well. If you want to store your logs, then enable it. If you don't want, then disable it. That means not enable it. You can store the logs under which S3 bucket and how much duration. That is how much retention period. That also you need to provide how many years of retention period that you want to store these logs. You want to store access logs as well. Then for that also you need to provide the retention period. If you want encryption of your data, if you want encryption for your logs, then enable this and just provide your key, one of your key. Currently, I'm not expecting encryption, so that I'm just clicking on next. So you can see review the configurations. So you selected the region this and you configured organizational units with the name is this, additional organization unit is this, and you configured shared accounts, that is managed account is this, and you can see log archive account is this. This email can able to archive this, see this log archives, and this audit account you have provided, and additional configurations also you provided related to CloudTrail configurations, log related information, retention periods of how many days you want to store your logs under S3, and you provided KMS related encryption details, and you just review and just click on understood and then click on setup so that your zone will be created. Currently, I'm not expecting to create so that I have not created this. So in this way, you can able to create your control. So in this, we have already seen how to create this organization by using this control tower and root organization unit, core organization unit, and custom organization unit, log, archival account, and audit account. We provided BTech Spark like that, some email. So like that, we can able to configure all these things. We can also see the retention period of our data under S3. And we have also seen the encryption is possible if we choose this, and encryption of our logs are also possible. And most of the details required to set up this control tower we have already seen in this video directly by using AWS management console. So I hope you understood this video and why do we need this control tower and how to create a setup for this control tower from management console. I hope you understood this video. This video is contentful, I think. If you feel this video is contentful, then please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get the latest update. Thanks for watching again. See you back in the next video. Until then, bye bye guys.